Hey guys, it's Ashley, and here's a quick video about how to develop the right audience for the right market in quick and easy steps. And after, make sure to subscribe to this channel to receive maximum value. Okay, so depending on what market you're in will depend on the audience, right? Make sure to watch until the end of this video for the most important part on generating leads for that market. But let's get started. 1. Get out a sheet of paper and a pen. It's important to bring out the creative side of yourself as you start developing this right audience. I'll wait for you to get a pen. 2, okay, so write down qualities that you want in your target audience. Think of a name for this person who could be your ideal customer. Write the name of that person at the top of the paper and then write down qualities about that person on the sheet of paper. What do they look like? Where do they live? What kind of car do they drive? What time do they wake up in the morning? What kind of hobbies do they have? Are they married, single? Do they work? What do they do? Do they have kids? Maybe pets? What are their internal fears? What are their internal desires, you guys? And what do they want most out of life? Once you have a good solid list written down for your ideal customer, and feel free to pause this video to take your time with it, and make sure to watch until the end because I'm going to explain how to get the most amount of leads for your ideal customer at the end of this video. 3. Now is the time to write down what you are offering this customer that will provide them with the most amount of value. It has to do with something that meets their internal desires and relieves them of their pain. So what is their pain, you guys? And how can you help relieve them of that pain? 4, now that you have your product written down and your ideal customer and how your product relieves them of their pain, now we have to market your product. So 5, this is the step where it's going to take a couple days, but don't worry, market research is the most important aspect of developing the who, which is your ideal customer. So step 5 is market research, and that means whoever is your customer, time to find them online. And let's say your ideal customer hangs out mostly on Facebook. Okay, so let's join the Facebook groups where they hang out and start reading the posts that are most popular, but in particular the comments. Look for the common pains and desires and write down those common market pains and those common market desires. And I really mean write them down, you guys, because you're going to develop all your marketing content around these pains and desires. 6, now that we've spent some time doing quality market research and we have a good awareness of the pains and desires in the market, now is the time to acquire leads. But so far, I told you how to develop the right audience and the right market in this video, and make sure to watch future videos on how to generate traffic and leads. And the most important part for generating leads for your ideal customer is going to the one platform where they hang out the most. So as an example in this video, we used Facebook. That means you're going to have to get good at generating Facebook ads, you guys. But don't worry, because in the link in the description of this video, you'll find completely done for you formula to generate ads on any digital platform, and you don't even have to have technical experience, and leads will be generated for you. So just click the link in the description of this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, and comment below to receive maximum value.